29 minutes before the news at 9 a.m. is our time right here on Capi Talk 100.4 FM. Mr. Attention, Sky Level Dawn with a tray called Handinyore. In everything that you do, you just need to sweat for it. Otherwise, it will not come out as you expected. We are live on our Facebook page, Capi Talk 100.4 FM, Harare Heartbeat. You can also get to listen online on www.capitalkfm.co.zw. And of course, a lot of you got it right on our WhatsApp platform. You've got those questions. Feel free to drop them up on our WhatsApp platform 0719-100404. It's an honor for us this morning as the Champions League breakfast on Capi Talk to have the Honorable Member of Parliament for Wedza South. Is also the Minister of Youth Empowerment, Development and Vocational Training, and also a renowned businessman, Honorable with the new name now, Tino Machakaire. Honorable, good morning and welcome to Capi Talk.
Morning, how are you?
Tinotenda kuri sei kumba
kwakanaka.
Ayo zvinokudzwa. Tinofara kuva nemi this morning. A lot of the youths have been saying we want the Honorable Tino to come through on radio, and we've got him in the studio.
Because ava vanokusvitsa kuna makuru wanika ukasvika kuna makuru vanobvanzira apta ndopane tayo. Honorable makadizvei. Thank you for taking your time nekutishanyira. So zvatakaita muswechikani?
It was last week. Yeah. We started building up on this from last week.
Chiti vanouya kati havauye vanouya havauye. So for us kukushedzera kwataita was just to prove a point kuti is easily accessible, sekutaura kunoita vanhu kuti anofamba ega, ana security, anongoerekana auya. So for us it was a challenge kuti tikushedzei takabhejerwa kunzi avauye.
And on top of that foot vanoita futi school run.
but ndakaenda masoja.
Welcome, Honorable Minister.
Thank you.
So Honorable, you are coming in as the Minister of the Youths. The youths are there in Zimbabwe and they are listening to the station right now. What really makes you that to be an honorable member of parliament and a minister who is easily accessible like that?
Okay, thank you very much. Reganditange nekuti we were born differently. Takabarwa zvakasiyana. Background dzedu dzakasiyana. So I'm here to serve. As a servant, you are supposed to serve. Nothing else. So akuna aufana unge uri selective kuti ava ndeve ku Borodo, ava ndeve ku Kambuzuma kana kuti ava ndeve ku Cholocho. Vanhu vese takabarwa zvakafanana. So tinofanira kuziva kuti after politics there's life. After this position there's life, and the people that we are seeing three more offices are we are going to be meeting them after this. Yes, so we need to make sure that whatever we do, we need support from those people who voted us to be where we are today. There's no one who can go to these positions ari ega asina vamwe vanhu. Saka kana wakaiswa nevanhu uziva kuti the position that you hold ndevanhu. So you must make sure that you're humble to the people that chose you to be where you are.
Okay.
Yeah. Ndinozviziva hangu kuti tinogona kuzviona kunge zvinhu zvinoshamisira, but to me ndinongoti it's because of the grace of God ndo vakatipa zvatiri, and tinofanira kunge tingori humble before God, before our people, before what we do. Yes. Yes.
The youths are looking up to you as the honorable minister who is representing them. You're also a youthful minister within the cabinet. How does it feel? A person who is regarded as a youthful minister who is leading the youth.
Okay. Thank you very much for that. You know, zviri pakasiyana. Inini pane zvese zvandoita ndinoziva kuti ndinge ndiri pandiri ndimwari. So this is why you see I'm a person who is open-minded. I say what I can say at any time, at any given time, with confidence. Not kuti ndida kuti nditi kana chinhu chiri right, kana chiri wrong. So ndo zvinoita kuti tinge tiri ma leaders but obviously we will be learning and guided, remain guided by our principal, who is the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Baba Mnangagwa. Sometimes it doesn't mean that if we are leaders we know everything. Sometimes we have mistakes, but we correct my mistakes. Sometimes you, the masses, can also guide us. But what we have to do is, we must know that for us to be good leaders, we must implement my issues are not as one. So if we don't, which means we are going to be doing and it becomes parallel. So we just have to flow, decide what is it that the youth requires at any given time. Are we able to implement what they require, or we are not? But when we are in these offices, I would say it is very important to listen to the wave. What is happening? What are the real issues that are?
So, Honorable, how do you listen to the wave?
You can only listen to the wave when you are accommodative, when you are also living within the people. Go to the streets, listen to what people are saying. Go to the churches, go to any gatherings where the youth are, so that you are able to understand and listen to their issues. Yeah, because if you don't do that, which means you shenda wakadai, you are shenda wakadai. So what we want is to close that gap. That gap, but we want to try and close that gap by accommodating everyone. Any issue yake, we must be able to listen.
Honorable, you're talking about listening to from the listeners and the youths themselves. I see it's an open secret.
Yes.
Drugs, Honorable. Just today on our sports news, we had one of the greatest cricket players,
yes,
Sean Williams.
Yes.
Up in my problems, drugs. We have lost another player to take the chevrons to another level in terms of cricket. Koma youths murukumboita say who fight drugs are Honorable. Kutaura kuriko tinokunzwa every day, but what is the action that is being done?
There is a committee that was set by the president, which is chaired by our national chairman, Honorable Minister of Defense, Maim Chinguri, and also deputized by the Minister of Home Affairs, the Honorable Minister of Home Affairs. So the issue of drugs is a serious problem, and it is a serious threat to our nation. So what we need to do now, it is not only government that is supposed to look or to face the problem that we have as a nation. We need a whole of society approach, whole of government approach, and whole of stakeholders approach. What can we do? We come up together, we have a solution together, then we move forward together fighting the same cause. But tikada kuti government yega ndiyo inoita tishagara nasi azvindirwadzi because ndogona ngomba kwangu kusina munhu anotora madrugs. But the moment yanishabatwa nemwana wangu paachabatwa nemadrugs ndopandichaona kushata kwawo. So even if it's you, tarisa vanhu vari padhuze newe, vari kurarama sei, vari kuita sei, and you must be able to alert the next person to know this is the problem that we have. What solution can we bring to our table to fight this scourge as a team?
Okay, thank you. Tanzwa committee amaka igafomwa na president vedu, but I'm saying what has been done kuti tackle zviri kuitika izvozvo like now chataita kuti tackle zviri kuitika nemadrugs yo.
Thank you. Tinema programs akawanda are in place. If you look at it, we've been doing my awareness campaigns. We've also doing trying to create facilities as government. We've got facilities, but our facilities are not enough. So there are also private partners who have come on board to create programs. There are also initiatives that are now in place on the same cause. Ukatarisa muno Mumbare, Angel of Hope, led by the First Lady, yekutora futi vana vakadaro, vana vakutora zvinodhaka. They are also doing my campaigns, my awareness campaigns, and also even Capital. We've heard you several times talking about drugs awareness. Wamataura ku cricket. It's a loss, it's a big loss. The boy is talented, but because of drugs, we are going to lose. Those chance aenda ku rehabilitation center isusu tatoa affected.
So mumari unyora pana pa WhatsApp ina 775 Tinashe
775 okay. Okay, it says that as the youth minister, what is your comment on the creation of jobs for the youth? Honestly, mabasa hakuna. What's your comment as well on drugs? You've done that. Another part to say is that why do you allow drugs through the borders?
Because anza rutangira kuboda muno matigadzire kuboda kwedu kusuti takaregerera re minister.
Okay, ataura zvinhu zviviri. Ataura issue maborder, ataura issue employment.
Yes.
So we need to agree kuti which issue can we address first.
Kumaboda tozopinda
Employment, fine. It's okay. We also want to thank the task force that is working with the Ministry of Home Affairs. Mukatarisa, they've been doing so well. Pane vanhu vari kubatwa, a lot of arrests are being made. So tinoda kuvatenda. Although we cannot say tinokwanisa kuzvipedza edu, but tinokwanisa zvipedzwe overnight. But there are certain operations that are in place ziri kuitwa to fight the issue of drugs. Even anti-smuggling team variko vari kuita. Of course, apashayikwe vanhu vanenge vaine hunhu hwakadaro, but as we go forward you realize kuti this is not a joke. We are taking this very seriously. So hatisi kuzvitora zvekuti nhasi tingotora nekuti zviri kupera nhasi. No. Because tikasadaro we are going to lose a generation.
Munozopedzisira musina mayuth acho kuleader.
Tinolidani kana tichilida vana vakatakwa. So like I said earlier on that isusu tese, if we come up together tochisungo kuti what are we going to do, tochitanga kurwa tese tichiti dono ngatifambei tese takadaro tinosunda, we will achieve this.
So there's a video that I saw about the honorable minister some weeks ago. Vachifamba nepolisi vakasunga vafana vemutoriro achitaura kuti aiwa ndinongopiwa chete ndopiwa 50 cents yangu. That was said kuti munhu ari kufira 50 cents achidistributa mutoriro zvokudaro. Mwabva nyora pana private partners in drug rehabilitation are very expensive. Kuti kune mapartners drug rehabilitation but mari dzacho hadzisi kukwanisika kuti vana vedu vadzoke mugwara.
Ari kudhura, yeah, I do agree with that.
What are we going to do as a youthful ministry?
Rega nditange kutaura pano that comment yamataura kuti makambondoona ndichifamba. So there was a case whereby takatereka titore vana vakauya for checking tichiona vana vanga vaine madrugs. So we takavabvunza kuti what is happening, where are you getting these drugs? No, anototengeswa pachena. Then we said no. Can we have a team of police vatatorana? Then we went to the venue. So sure, takasvika aripo
easily accessible.
Yes. Ndakatobudisa odhora akatotambira akatonditambidza. Yes, in front of the police. Masona
plain clothes police.
Yes. Masona kwabva tatobata kwabva tatakura zvavaitengesa zvacho daylight. So what are we doing?
But honorable, do you think kuti parents are playing their part in also fighting the drugs cage in the country, or my parents are ngoti hurumende ngaidai?
Yeah, ndoda kutenda most of them vanhu vaakuchiona kushata kwazvo because zviri kuaffecta nzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana. You realize kuti maparents izvozvo ndovapa mperi kuti no isusu ngatirovei ngatibatei vanhu vari kuita zvemadrugs. Vaakuunza mareports mukatarisa vanhu vese vari kusungwa. It's because of communication yavepo between vanhu nemapurisa. Saka zvakutibetsera kuti kana paine zviri kuitika ende tikaramba tine maonero wayo takawanda, you see kuti vanhu vanenge vaakutya and macrimes vanokomita maperpetrators vachadzikira.
But what are you doing as a ministry kuti paitike vanobatwa vanawo vari kuitwa sei ministry? Because vamwe vanonzi vakabatwa vanobuda. What are you advocating for as a
isusu tiri kuda kuti shuviro yedu ndeyekuti vanhu vari kupara mhosva idzi havafaniri kunge vachigara vari musociety. We don't need them in our society. Vanofanira vasungwa. They don't belong to our communities. Vanofanira kugara vari kujeri so that vanhu vakazviziva kuti zviri kuendesa kujeri izvi mukambota saka trend ke vanhu vambosungwa we need to increase, we need to scale up so that vanhu vasungwe, because if you don't scale up namwari I'm telling you muchazonditaurira toita problem.
There is someone who's on our WhatsApp platform who's saying that minister tobatsirana sei negovernment pakubatsirana nenyaya yevana vari kuita zvemadrugs. For example, inini kwandinogara vanenge vachinwa mutoriro vachitoputa mbanje zvekuti uri mumba mako unenge uchitofema mbanje dzacho dzavari kuputa. Saka tatoshaya zvokuita isu. How best can a concerned parent like this be helped?
Kune ma numbers aripo anchaprovide kwamuri so that you can also publicize those numbers kuti vanofanira kufonera number idzodzo vachiripota such cases so that tisarambe tichinyarara hosha dzichikura. So I will also share with you the numbers so that muno communicate navo munovapa kuti no kana paita vanhu vamuri kususpecta vaita zvakadai reportai kunumber idzi. There's a correct team yakamirira kunoataka nzvimbo dzakaita idzodzo mabases iwayo.
Honorable, sekubuda kwamakamboita muchiratidza vanhu zvinoitika nokumbonobudisa dhola renyu muchida kuona how easily accessible these drugs are. Is it something that you're only doing for Harare or you're doing it nationwide? Have you been to other centers and other cities as well?
Thank you. Well, at Chikuse muno Harare chete, we are going around the country and my teams tinawo kuma provinces are kuita, but I want to assure you that going forward you will see kuti we are going to increase because zvakuwanda futi kumamisha vanhu vari kusungwa kumamisha. There are reports vanhu vari kusungwa kumamisha vachiita zvemadrugs. Saka ikoko kwachona ndiko kunoda futi ma-awareness. So tiri kuenda tiri kudzika to the roots tichinoita ma-awareness campaigns tichieducata vanhu kushata kwazvo kunaka kwazvo zvazvinoita after effects acho zviri mumaprograms atiri kuita.
Yeah, tiri papo honorable anyora tsamba anonzi Othniel Makanda, that's from a Facebook comment. Facebook yedu iri active zvakudaro nasi. What's done and sekufunga kwenyu chichi kuita kuti vanhu vatore madrugs and how are you addressing it? How are you say ministry chichi kufunga kuti chikuita kuti vanhu vatore madrugs sekuona kwenyu honorable?
Zvakawanda because rega nditi sekutaura kwatiri kuita kuti madrugs edu haasi kugadzirwa muno mazhinji acho. Mamwe acho ari kupinda ari kuimportwa. So the perpetrators shasha dzinopinza madrugs havasi vanhu vari easy ka vanhu vakuru vatinenge tichiziva kuti mazita avo akataurwa mukavaona vasungwa pakoti apo vanenge aine matop lawyers vanenge vachivadefenda. Ndosaka ndataura kuti izvi hazvisi kuda government yega, zvikuda nesu vabereki kuti toita chirwirangwe against the problem that we have.
Do you sorry honorable, do you feel the media is playing its part in the fight against drugs in Sibanda?
Definitely. Actually, we really appreciate all the efforts that you are putting. By this communication alone, it tells us that you are so concerned, and we really appreciate that.
Anzi, amuna kuzondipindura panhau ye employment EA for the youths.
Right. Ipopo ndo pane basa.
Because manyoro waito pana Tinashe aruti my youth ana mabasa and then they end up getting into drugs.
Yeah, but ukashaya basa hazvisiri zvinoita utore madrugs. Isusu ndiri kuti what do we have? Tineya tinoti nets. We've got more than 5.4 million youth that are not employed. They are told nets, not in education, not in employment. Vakatadza vamwe vacho ma-dropouts vakawandisa than those are vari kukwanisa kuenda kumusoro. So kuburikidza neMinistry of Youth Empowerment, Development and Vocational Training, we've started a drive of skilling our youth.
Okay.
It's better because our biggest percentage yema youth are unemployed. My youth vamwe vakaita vasina vakadzokera kuzvikoro. Of course my graduates are kuwanda, and we also want to try and minimize export ye-labor. Tine vana vatinawo vakawanda. What we need to do is we need to bring a solution. The solution that we now have in place is where takaita 2 weeks ago takalauncha youth empowerment strategy, which is going to begin 2026 to 2030 on the NDS2. Iyo iyoyo ndo ichange ichitiguida. That's the framework ichange ichitiguida on what we are going to do in terms of addressing those issues of employment.
So we are hoping to get employment in the near future.
Definitely, we need a solution, because if we don't have a solution, we have a problem on our doorstep.
Another one on WhatsApp is saying that I think nyaya iyi mabasa hapere cause chero police ikasunga unongoona vachidzoka vanhu pakopa kabhana chaipo mutown panotengeswa madrugs pamasnuka paya pakaipa zvinoda kushinga kuti tirwise nyaya iyi.
I also feel it's very important kuti timbota a program whereby yatinoita live on Capital. Yatinenge chiti let's name and shame them. Let's address the areas. And my law enforcers anofangari muno tinavo pano vachinota maplaces akutaura because vanhu vari kunyora they are concerned citizens. And these are the people that we want, and these are the people that we must listen to, because they know exactly what is happening within their areas. So can to solve our problems, the solution is you.
Someone also says that I think let's also even have websites someone can access and send my tip of Ari anonymous.
Yes.
I should be able to just access a website, isingadi data, and just report anonymously. Minister, thank you for the fight.
Yes, that's a very good point. We want to thank for that. Yeah.
So Minister Vasevedu Chete, ministers for all body, not for one body. Why not open phones?
Yeah.
Tikataura nevairi vatatu vataura zvavanoshuwira kuna minister, vataura zvavanoona kwavanobva kuvachudza minister kuti toita sei titakle. But imi minister mubvunzo wangu wekupedzisira, what have you done to empower youth? For NDS 1 yakupera taura pinda NDS 2.
Okay. Thank you. We've got quite a number of things or programs or initiatives that we brought to our youth. Though it's not enough because our numbers yema youth yakakura. But going to NDS 2, you will see that we are going to expand, and our ministry is going to be much visible as compared to the past years. Remember, this is a new ministry which was formed recently. But of course there will be issues here and there that we don't try to polish up, but now we know what is supposed to be done. So going forward, sekutaura kwandaita kuti muchaona kuti izvozvi kana taakutaura kuti issues atoda kuraisa ndakati nakati, you will see kuti zvatochinja. Tachinja magia.
Yeah.
Then pane issue yamataura kuti ndezvipi zvamaitira vana. One of our biggest problem that we have is we are not accountable to the numbers of youth that are that are employed, that are not employed, that are just idle. So now, in this new strategy that we have put in place, that's where we are now going to bring in the statistics on numbers. How many youths do we have in Matebelelem South? How many youths do we have in Mat North? How many youths do we have unemployed in Manicaland? What solution can we bring to Manicaland? What is it that is there in Manicaland? Chatinga pevana vedu vari kuManicaland, so that they are fully equipped.
Okay. Yeah,
right.
I think Panyo Wapanapa, Minister Machakaire vanogona engagement yavo kumberi. We are the best vanhu vari acknowledge basa rari mukuita. Minister, many a times people from Matebeleland feel sidelined. How, as a ministry, have you tackled that?
Probably if you can just open a call from Matebeleland so that it's called Matebeleland.
All right, feel free to get in touch with us on 0772-269-229 or 0772-269-241. Somebody is on the line. Good morning on Capi Talk.
Hello, right.
Good morning, how are you? Feel free to speak to the Honorable Minister.
Thank you for the program. So, I think maybe the drug dealers they should be also educated on how to make clean money, because their main motive is to make money. But what we so genuine, we want to make money, it's our hustle. I think it's from the root. They should be also kusungwa, but also educated to do my projects. I don't like to.
All right, thank you. You want to listen on radio, or you want to keep holding on the line?
You can answer Takatirira.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, madam. But I differ a bit from your comment. There's no one who can commit a crime. It's no problem. So what is it that you want? Do you want to be a crime committer or you want to do the right thing? So vanhu vari kupara mhosva kana vachiita kupara mhosva nokutengesa madrug unoti hatina chekubata but wechiziva kuti kupara mhosva, which means you're a criminal. There's so many things that we can do to empower ourselves. Ora toti munhu ari kurima kana kuti ari kupfuya huku kana kuti ari kutengesa majuice cards pakona anditi oti ndakusiya zvangu ndakutengesa majuice cards ndakutengesa mbanje pakona panapa because ndazvazvikuita. Yeah.
Okay.
My phones are
Let's speak up another call. Good morning, you're live on Capi Talk.
Honorable Minister, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
Ndinoda kubvunza kuti mune urongwa hupi nemayuth akaremara because tinoona vazhinji vacho vakasiya chikora havana zvekuita, the few sidelines. Pane vari normal because for example toti tine mayuth asinganzwi asingataure. Vanhu ivavo vakapedza chikoro tozongoona vakutengesa mutauni ende havana chimwe chinhu chekuita. Mune urongwa hupi nemayuth akadaro?
That's a very good point. Right, we've got makotas now in every in our policies.
Let me listen to radio.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much for that question. We've got makotas now in place anomiririra vanhu vari disabled. Kuti kana tikange tiri pacapital panapa pane vanhu vari kushanda pano, they must be able to take a certain percentage or a certain number yemunhu ari disabled into their organization. So izvozvo it's part of our NDS too. Kuti no, hatifane kuti tichiti iwo haugone kutaura but maoko onawo zvese unokunaka pakambani inotakurwa zvino wangaratidza kutakura here, panodhiraivha wangaratidza kudhiraivha here. So this is our drive going forward in our NDS 2026-20 to 2030 strategy. So I really agree with that. Kuti we mustn't leave vanhu vanorama vari muhurema vasiri part of us. Because it is their right. So tofanira kunge tichimira navo. Actually those are our priority. Kana taakuadresa maissues edu kusimudzira nyika because vanhu vari disabled ndo vanofanira even ukasvika mulaini rekuti kuda kupinda mubank kana kuda kuenda mushop anofanira kutongo priority because of that. So I do agree with you.
Honorable, is your office easily accessible or maybe a department within your ministry where people can come in, my youths vane maissues ava vanoda kuti vataurwe kuti vabatsirikewo?
Yes, thank you very much. It is not my office alone. In each and every ministry takati kunofanira kuine yatinoti youth desk. Ukaenda ku Ministry of Agriculture, ukaenda ku local government, there must be a youth representative anenge arikoko akamirira kutaura maissue taura akadresa maissues in my youth. So some of the ministry it's active, some of them it's an ongoing thing that we just have to put in place. But mukatarisa kuti kunema ukauya ku ministry ku youth.
All right, sorry, Honorable, I have to hold you there. Time is very late. But what we are going to do is we are going to continue on Facebook. We have to make way for the news at 9 o'clock, so and then we continue.
So that we share the numbers.
Yeah.
In the community, Honorable.
But all the same, thank you so much for coming, Honorable. You can still